Is how to make Google Chrome faster on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are also facing, if your Google Chrome browsing is performing very slow, then here is the process to make faster of Google Chrome. And the first launch Google Chrome, click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and choose help option about Google Chrome. Update your Google Chrome browser, checking for updates, and it will update your Google Chrome browser, and it will definitely help to make faster of your Google Chrome. Thereafter again go to privacy and security setting of the same Windows and choose clear browsing data. Clear browsing history, download history, and cookies and other site data. This will also make your Google Chrome faster in your browser. Choose all time and choose clear data. Thereafter again go to same page under privacy and security, choose third parties cookies. Click on it, scroll down, and you will find the option preload pages. Click on it, and here choose a standard preloading. When this feature is on, browsing and searching is faster. Chrome preloads pages you are likely to visit so that they load more quickly when you visit them. So enable this feature. Again go to three vertical dot and choose extensions. Manage your extensions and disable extensions. Sometimes more extension enabled in your system may cause of slow of your Chrome browser. So disable unnecessary extension working on your system. The next one is again go to settings and choose reset settings. Reset settings for their original defaults. Click on it, and this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. Disable extension. So choose reset setting. This will increase your